Alrighty, today we're going to be taking a look at a full septic system. So we have a 2-chamber septic tank to a single bored dry well. Over here we have the inlet side front chamber. We can see that they have an old riser attached to a newer plastic one. There's root intrusion and exposed rebar, so we're going to go ahead and recommend that they replace that riser ring. The next spot we're going to look at is the outlet line, where we're going to see the same setup for the riser, but a little less corrosion and root intrusion on the joint. We're also going to recommend that this be replaced too. If we look down here, we will see that the back baffle is missing. The back baffle is super important to make sure all of that floating debris does not work its way into the absorption system or the back line, causing clogs or premature failure. From there, we're going to walk over to the bored dry well. This is what's going to dissipate the liquid into the surrounding soil. This is an observation port that we will use in this area to kind of check to see how full the dry well is. As the system ages, this will slowly start to fill up with water, so it's always a good idea to pop this open every few months just to see where you're sitting. This system looks pretty good, and this customer is good to go.